In this video, we'll show you how to color code an elapsed time function to show whether or not a certain time threshold has been exceeded and print that in a different color in a report. So we're going to come to the layout of this report that I have here. We'll specify some query parameters to a saved filter that I have. And then we'll go ahead and preview the report to see the data that we have. We currently have the alarm date and time, the arrival date and time, and we have the elapsed function showing in minutes. If we look at the formula that we're using to calculate that, it's basically alarm date and time, arrival date and time, and then a comma 1. If we look down at what our elapsed function is looking at, under our details, you'll see that the number would be in minutes. So that's what we're returning. Now, to print this conditionally, what we can do is copy this entire formula and go down to our print when statement. And what we want to have happen is we only want this black font to print when this entire function is less than 10 minutes. So I just typed the 10 in there and I click OK. Now what I do is I take this exact same field and I copy and paste it using Control-C and Control-V. If I open up this field, I'm going to print this one when it is greater than or equal to 10. I'm going to save that, but now what I need to do is change the font on it. So if I come up here with it highlighted to Format and Font, I can change the color here to red. Click OK. I'll then use my up and down arrows to push this right over top of the other field and close it up. Now when I preview my report, my over 10-minute calls show up in red, the rest are in black. I hope this helps you get better data out of Firehouse Software.